So, are you thinking about moving to Boulder, Colorado? In this video, we're going to explore an amazing renovated home just 15 minutes from Boulder, located in Lafayette, Colorado. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'll share another home tour that you don't want to miss. And we're getting started right now. My name is Carla Howell with Boulder County Homes, and my information is below in the description box. This newly remodeled, sprawling 1970s rambler on almost an acre is nestled in the secluded Stonehenge neighborhood, located just outside of Lafayette's bustling downtown area and only 15 minutes to Boulder. And no one really knows about this neighborhood. It's the best kept secret in Lafayette. With a country feel, yet an easy commute to Boulder, Denver, and the mountains. What is not to like? It's the perfect location. You're just minutes to all of the Boulder County towns and Interstate I-25 to get you anywhere along the Front Range. With over 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms on one level, 2.5 baths, and almost an acre lot at an amazing price. You just got to come check it out. This modern contemporary home unveils a huge open floor plan, hardwood floors, quartz counters, and a luxury kitchen with Thor appliances. You only need to step inside to appreciate the beautifully vaulted ceilings, highlighted by floor-to-ceiling windows, letting in amazing natural light. Enjoy your eat-in breakfast nook, perfect for everyday living. With designer touches to further accentuate the space, what more could you ask for? Take your morning coffee from the kitchen into the living room to enjoy it by the fireplace in the winter, or just relax with an early morning book read in your sunroom in the summer. This home creates a livable experience that will captivate you all year round. If you want to learn more about this lovely opportunity, feel free to reach out. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, you can shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom call. Our contact information is below in the description box. We're happy to help you make a smooth move to the Boulder area. Until next time, we hope to show you around town.